I promise I'm about to make you yawn like a little baby before nap time. Not because it's a hilarious party trick, but actually because it's deeply healing to the body. Do this, please. Bring the tip of your tongue to the back of the roof of your mouth and pronounce the letter R. Keep going. And don't stop for the rest of this video. While you keep making that noise, let me explain exactly what's about to happen. That vocal activation signals to your vagus nerve to send the body into the parasympathetic state of relaxation. Your body naturally responds by yawning. And yawning is not just a thing to be embarrassed about when you do it at the dinner table. Yawning is a great way to come down from anxiety and to signal to your body that it's safe. Come back to this quick little trick anytime you need it, and don't forget my face because I got a lot more of these tips. And if you comment the word yoga under this post, I'll send all my yoga tips straight to your DM. Peace and love.